why we can't have anything nice in Miami. Winds. This set by Sleeper, necklace is by Bagatiba, little bag is by Kozha numbers, and sneakers are Asics. Good morning, guys. I'm about to head out. I have an eye appointment. Wanted to show you my outfit. Not great, but just threw it together quickly. And please excuse the mess in the background. Cardigan is by causa. Jeans are Levi's high loose, and sandals are by Rag & Bone. My bag by Kozha, which is just a big tote bag. Best thing to take to any doctor's appointment. And yeah. I thought about how much plastic is wasted when you do laundry. Like your detergents come in a big plastic tub, or your little pods or whatever it is. It's just so much plastic, and I thought there had to be like a solution for it. And then randomly this company reached out to me and I was like, oh my god, I need to try that. So this is, the brand is called Tru Earth, and they're just like laundry strips that you can put in your little dispenser, and you just kind of like break them up. They come in packs like this. They were kind enough to send me a bunch of packs. I actually have a fourth one. It saves so much space like in your laundry. So yeah, I love this idea. This isn't sponsored or anything. I just really wanted to share this because this is great. Like it comes in a little cardboard packet, very thin. You could just put it like in a basket or something and hide it in your laundry room or wherever you do your laundry. This is like the fresh linen one. Smells so good, but they also have fragrance free, which is usually what I get because I'm very like, my skin is very sensitive to stuff. But yeah, it's just a little strip that you break off, and then you break it into little pieces and you put it in the dispenser or in the tub, however you want to do it, and it's detergent. And it's like so smart. I don't know what took this long for somebody to come up with this. I don't know if this is just me recently finding out about this, but love it. So awesome. And I've been using the fragrance free one and I love it. So yeah. How much space are you saving with this? Like this is like 32 loads each. Look at this. Best thing ever. So yeah, the brand is Tru Earth. Shout out to them. Not sponsored or anything, but this is the future. This is what we should all be doing. So for the spring savings event, by the way, I'm wearing my glasses because I just got back from the optometrist. Thank you very much for noticing. For the spring savings event, little haul. I just got mostly refills. The only new thing that I got is this, I think. This is the Moroccan Oil All-in-One Leave-In Conditioner. I used it yesterday. I washed my hair and I liked it. It's very lightweight. It's like a spray conditioner, which is my favorite because those usually tend to be more lightweight. And so far, so good. I used it yesterday, so it's in my hair. Got a refill of my tried and true Briogeo Don't Despair Repair hair mask. This is my favorite hair mask in the world. I actually use it in place of a conditioner most of the time. So yeah, can't recommend this brand in general enough, but this is like probably my favorite product from them. So I got a refill. I always get a refill every time there's a savings event. I actually have a backup, but I got another one. Next, I got the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and this is just like a smoothing cream, but to be honest with you, I mostly get this because this is one of my favorite smelling creams ever. Like, it smells so good. Obviously the fact that it's like a smoothing cream is a perk. So I do find that it kind of smooths, but like nothing crazy. But oh my god, if you guys have never smelled this, if you know, you know. Got another one of my Hourglass Veil powders. This is my favorite powder. I use this under my eyes and like on my T-zone and stuff, and it's just such a beautiful powder, and I'm running out, so got another one. And then the last three things that I got are from Olaplex, which I also always get backups because I love this stuff, but it can get expensive. So I got another one of my number 3. It's kind of like a bonding mask, like it repairs bonds. It just really helps with the definition of my hair. Like, I don't really know how to explain it other than it just really helps bring your curls to life if you're wearing your hair natural, or if you're wearing your hair straight. It just really helps everything look uniform and not like out of place or any like little flyaways or like weird hairs anywhere. It just like snatches your hair. I don't know if I'm making any sense. But also got the intensive bond building hair treatment. This is number 0 from Olaplex, and it says it primes, repairs, strengthens, and protects all hair types. I mostly use this when I'm going to straighten my hair. I use the entire Olaplex system whenever I'm going to straighten my hair, and I feel like it really, really protects my hair. It retains like the blowout, and it just makes everything look so much better than if I straightened my hair without using the entire Olaplex system. So is it overkill? Probably, but I don't know. I love these products. So I got the Dyson Airwrap. Like before curling. I'm going to use the curler to see how that works, but I mean, it's pretty smooth. I haven't added an oil or anything. So let's try to use the curling now. It says you're supposed to do this on damp hair, but my hair would just get too frizzy if I don't smooth it out first. So I've never been able to get my hair this like bouncy ever in my life. My bangs are usually a hot mess like 4 minutes after I blow dry my hair or do anything. I've never gotten these results from a regular curling iron in my life. I hate that it's so expensive, but it's good. And I was a little skeptical when I was using just the regular brushes, but the actual curling tools are what make it amazing. And the smoothing tool, those worked the best. But yeah, I think I want to get the long barrels, but other than that, like, yup, we stand. We have some lentil chips and we have some cauli crisps. Neither of these look that appetizing, but let's see. These taste just like Pringles. These are not as good. They have salt. I mean, they're not horrible, but they don't taste like much. Wanna taste it?
That's what's going on. It's the pink salt.
Pink salt is great. Hey guys, so I just took my hair out of my little sleeping bun. Haven't done anything to it today. This is like what, third, fourth day hair? Still holding up. This is the only problem, so I'm going to show you how I fix. Because the problem is that this side of my head curls inward. This one curls outward. Very nice. Great. This one always curls inward, so I have to kind of curl it away from my face whenever I want to touch up my hair. But I think overall it's holding up very nicely. Granted, I haven't really left my house. I haven't gone to the gym. I've just been working at home like the entire time. That's why I haven't really been filming. My hair was just like in a bun. When I say bun, I mean like the very loose kind of plop that I do. What I do is very simple. I just kind of get the piece that I need to curl away from my face. I get the air wrap and I make sure that it's going that way. And then I just curl it for like 5 seconds. You know, I just like grabbed it and I hold it for a second. I just get this weird curl, which will set in just a moment. It doesn't hold as well as a curling iron, obviously, but I can't get these results with a curling iron. Like, it just does not look the same for me. And obviously I don't do this on days where I'm not filming. This is not something I'm doing every day. Like I said, my hair has been in a bun. So yeah, once you get the hang of this, it's actually pretty easy. Like, you just start, well, if you have longer hair, I start down here. Like that. And I literally leave it for like 5 seconds and that's it. And then I hold, let it cool off a little bit, and then I just bring it out and get a nice little So I was just sent this shirt by Aning Bing. Tried it on today. And I'm not much of like a graphic tee person, but I love this situation going on right now. Like, very comfortable. I'm wearing my Asics. These biker shorts are by Aritzia. This long sleeve is by Pangea. Watch is Bretta, the dual tone one. And earrings are Jenny Bird via the lobby. And I'm just wearing an old like satin headband. Yeah, what else do I have to report? Oh, I've been watching Good Girls and I'm obsessed. Like, I started watching it a long time ago and I only watched like the first 2 or 3 episodes and I was like whatever about it. But now I'm like on season 2, I think. And I like it. It's a nice little show if you guys want to watch something new. I don't know. But, yeah. So I'm gonna get back to what I was doing. And I'll see you on the flip side. Guys, so I just got the Yeezy slides. And you can say whatever you want about these jail slides / chicken cutlet looking things. But when I tell you that these are the most comfortable shoes I have ever put on my feet, I am not exaggerating. Like, I do not care what they look like. They are seriously clouds. I'm at my desk as usual and I'm just doing this. So yeah, just wanted to report that because these get a lot of hate, but they are so comfortable. So I'm going to a baby shower and just wanted to show you my outfit. This dress is by Vince, bag is by Paulin Paris. Shoes are old, little like platform wooden wedges kind of shoes, which are old by Nisolo. And these earrings, I actually don't remember the name of the designer, but I will link them. They're just like wooden earrings. And rings are Majuri. And yeah, hair slicked back. Did like a little peach makeup look. I really love this dress. It's so versatile. You can like lower the sleeves and make it a little fancier, or you can make it a bit more casual with like sneakers or sandals.